Hello traders, welcome back to another day of technical analysis. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold and silver. As usual, we'll start from the daily time frame, go down to hourly time frame, then to the 30 minutes time frame where we'll be marking daily trading ranges. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. First, we'll start with gold. I'm in daily time frame of gold, and when we see the overall price action, this has been acting as a very strong resistance, this red color line, and it has not breached this. From here, the downtrend has started. Here it has broken this support level of daily channel pattern and it has breached the midline of the daily channel pattern also, and it came, but it didn't manage to test this bottommost support level of this daily time frame. So this is where the uptrend has started and it didn't retrace to that level also. Presently, when we notice the price action, it is kind of in a retracement process. If it falls also, we can expect the current price action to take support on this support line of the daily time frame. Still it is trading within a channel pattern of daily time frame and it is on a uptrend. So never go on a bearish side for long term. So from daily time frame, we understand that current price action is on a bullish trend and it is moving in a channel pattern in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. I mark the current price action. When we notice the current price action, it is forming into a triangle, which means that there is indecision in the market. Price doesn't want to go up or doesn't want to come down. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is already moving in a channel pattern and the channel pattern is in a uptrend. So even though it is showing indecision in the hourly time frame, we can understand from the higher time frame that the current price action is bullish. So in a lower time frame, the patterns can change very often. Always stick to the higher time frame trends. If the higher time frame is showing bullish trend, take trades on a bullish side. And when we see the overall retracement also, I'm using Fibonacci's retracement tool. We can notice that it has not even retraced to the 50%. So we can expect a further uptrend to continue and test this resistance, then a consolidation or to continue its uptrend. So as long as this support line from daily time frame is holding, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame and mark the trading ranges for today. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. As mentioned in the hourly time frame, it is forming into a very nice symmetric triangle pattern and trend reversal is happening. I am expecting it to at least test to this level over here, which is around 1810, and consolidate or continue its bullish trend and test this uppermost resistance of the daily time frame. Let us mark the trading ranges for today. So this is going to be the support. Next resistance is going to be here. Next level of resistance is going to be here. This is the next level of resistance. When it crosses this level, we can say that bullish trend has started because it is crossing 50% of the Fibonacci's retracement. Next level of resistance is going to be around here. Next is here, over here, and bottommost support is also going to be here. This is a support from the daily time frame, green color line. Let us see how price action goes today, based on which I'll update you with a new price action tomorrow. So I'm expecting a bullish trend to continue for today also. Let us do the analysis in silver. I'm in daily time frame of silver now. In daily time frame, when we notice the current price action, we can notice that it was on a downtrend and here it has found the bottom. It started its bullish trend and this level is acting as a very strong resistance for now. It is around 28.30. This is acting as a very strong resistance. So it couldn't break this resistance level. And currently we are noticing a consolidation within this range. The bottommost support is 21.30 and resistance is at 28.30. So it is a range bound market when we look at the price action from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, so there was a resistance line where it was taking resistance at this level, and it has broken this level and started its uptrend, but it couldn't break this level over here, which is around 25.32. Presently the current price action is in a retracement, and I have drawn a support line over here, The price action took support on these levels so far, and at this point over here, it broke this level of 23.94, and presently it is on a downtrend within this consolidation area of daily time frame. So again, I am expecting the current price action to take support on this green color line, because it has been acting as a support previously also. So I am expecting it to take support on this level over here and then start its uptrend. But still, if it starts its uptrend also, we have a resistance level over here. It was acting as a support previously. Now it will turn into a resistance level. Even if it goes over here, we can expect a trend reversal and retest on the bottommost support level over here. So I am expecting a consolidation or a further fall in this commodity pair. So to start its uptrend, it has to break this level of 25.35. So presently it is in a consolidation within this range, and it is in a downtrend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now, and we can clearly notice that the current price action is under a consolidation. It is forming a similar price action as previously noticed here. So I am expecting it to consolidate or test this bottommost support, again consolidate, but overall price action is in a downtrend because it has broken this support line. But this is also very strong support. Let us see if it breaks this support level. Next level of support is going to be over here. If it breaches this level, we can say that the downtrend has started. This is going to be a decision line to decide whether the downtrend is there or whether it's going to start this uptrend. Let us mark the trading ranges for today. So this is going to be the resistance. Next resistance is going to be here. Next resistance, presently also it is acting as a resistance. Next resistance is going to be here, and support is going to be over here, and next level of support is going to be here, which is the bottommost support. So mark these ranges in your chart also and decide your entry and exit based on the support and resistance levels. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.